How to connect Binance to Google Authenticator. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Binance to Google Authenticator. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Binance application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see the Binance icon. Tap on it and then here you'll be able to see the space. Tap on your profile name here. You will be taken to the account center page. Inside it, here you'll be able to see security option. Simply tap on it and inside it, now here you will need to look for the option Authenticator app. Once you find it, tap on it. By doing so, inside it, you'll be able to see this enable button at the bottom. To add the Authenticator application, you will need to enable this option. Tap on enable at the bottom and now a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address associated to your account. You will need to wait for the code and once you get the code, enter it in this field. Once you enter the code, now tap on the submit button and here you will be presented with the 16-digit key and the instructions on how you can add Google Authenticator to Binance. Here you will be able to see the copy option at the right side of your key. Tap on it and once you have copied it, now you will need to go and open your Google Authenticator application on your device. Once you open the application, here due to security reasons, the video is restricted to record. You may not see the screen, but you can simply follow the guidelines in order to do so. Once you open the application, here make sure you are logged into your account and in the home page, you'll be able to locate the plus button at the bottom right. Simply tap on it and then there you'll be able to see the option enter a setup key. Select it and now here you will need to paste the key. In the first text box, enter the name Binance and in the second text box, here paste the copied key from Binance. Once doing that, if you want to choose the type of key, you can select it. Once after doing that, tap on the add button right here. Once it has been added, you'll be able to see Binance in this list. A 6-digit verification code will be generated every time for a while. You will need to use this code before it expires. Now, you will need to tap on it to copy the code and now return back to your Binance page. Here now tap on the next button at the very bottom and in this page, you will need to paste the copied code from your Authenticator app. Simply tap on this paste option at the right side and then tap on submit button. By doing so, here you will be able to see the Authenticator app has been successfully added to your Binance account. Now each time you log into Binance, after entering your email and password, you will need to enter a code from Google Authenticator. So by following these steps, you should be able to connect Binance to Google Authenticator. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.